टाइगर आपसे ये सवाल था कि इंडस्ट्री में आते ही आपने हीरोपंती की, फिर आप बागी बने, फिर जाके फ्लाइंग जेट में आप उड़ने की कोशिश किया आपने, फिर मुन्ना भाई की गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए लड़ाई की आपने, अब जाके स्टूडेंट बने। आपको नहीं लगता रिवर्स गियर लगा है?
शायद फ्लाइंग जेट के बाद थोड़ा जमीन में आना पड़ा।
At the risk of being accosted eventually online, so I'm going to just say it. She's somebody I have known ever since she was 2 years old. But that is not the reason why she's in the film. Again, if you believe me, that is. She is somebody I've literally seen grow up, and she was always had this spunky spirit, always had this desire in her eyes to kind of walk into the limelight and onto celluloid. She's somebody that I believe really passionately got excited when she was told that she was going to be a part of the film. Please welcome Ananya Pandey. All right, now's the moment that we've all been waiting for. Y'all have already given him so much love that he needs no introduction. So I won't say any further. He, as I've said, is a force of nature. What he does, no one, and I repeat, no one can. Please welcome Tiger Shroff. Where you're meant to be.
सवाल आपसे ये था कि स्ट्रीट ऑफिसर की फर्स्ट सीरीज जब बनी थी, 2 एक्टर के लिए आपने 1 एक्ट्रेस रखा था, और अभी 1 एक्टर के पीछे 2 एक्ट्रेस है, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि वरुण धवन और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आपसे नाराजगी जताएंगे?
ऐसा यूनिक सवाल मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सुना। इससे बहुत यूनिक सवाल
एक एक्टर के पीछे 2 लड़कियां नहीं है, तीनों साथ में, और ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. I think the students are only supporting us, and all of them have been very sweet. Hopefully you'll see you may see them in the film.
Gorgeous, stunning Tara. This is your introduction into the movies. Firstly, welcome to the movies. And what does the moment feel like today?
Honestly, Karan, this moment feels surreal. The last year has been surreal, but today, guys, did you like the trailer? Yeah! It's been the best day of my life. Thank you so much, Karan. I'm so excited.
All right, lovely. And we're very excited to have you in the film, and we look forward to lots more work in the company and see you shine everywhere. Ananya, I can't believe that I've seen you on stage. Like, I feel like I'm getting all kinds of daddy feelings here. Because I've literally seen Ananya play in this little garden at Mannath, running around with the other kids, with Aryan and Suhana and everybody else. And now she's here looking beautiful and a lead actress in this film. What is it feeling like, Ananya?
It feels like a dream. I've seen so many interviews of other people at their trailer launches, and I'm just like, I can't imagine that I'm here, and this feels so weird, like everyone's like this during trailer launches, and it's actually like that, so I just don't know what I hope you all enjoy the trailer.
They're enjoying as we speak, and Tiger! You're so strong in your skill set and everything you do. When you face the camera, it's like you were born for it. And today when you see yourself up there, what does it feel like with local love coming your way as well?
First of all, I thank all of you for giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love. And it's because of you that I have the strength to climb. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels
truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and you know, I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start off my collaboration with you.
All right, Tiger. Okay, now that's Tiger saying all the right things. Now we've got to get some wrong things out of this. Okay, that's our endeavor today, which I tried very hard on 2 seasons of my show. I managed a little bit on the 2nd season because he was squeezed between these 2 wonderful girls. And was that a good feeling, Tiger? Before I opened it up the house, what was their dynamic like in your life? Such a serious thought.
No, it was genuinely, I had a lot of fun. I felt like I wasn't working with 2 newcomers. They're just so, you know.
Who was more fun?
Who was more fun? Both of them have their, you know, moments.
Which moment with who did you like the most?
Puneet, you want to answer this?
Puneet has had his fair share of moments, but with other people. We don't talk about Puneet.
That's not fair. Tiger enjoyed the moment. He should answer.
Alright, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it'll look like he'll look one big tomato. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the media, I'm going to open the questions to all of you. Here we have the producers, the director, and the wonderful lead cast of Student of the Year.
Firstly, I just want to thank the media and all the photographers. You have been so kind to me and so warm towards me. And this day, honestly, it's like a dream. I just feel like I'm going to wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, it's not going to be real. So this is very, very, very surreal for me, and I'm just too grateful. Karan and Puneet, and I just have.
As long as you keep coming out of airports and gyms, the photographers and members of the media will be very kind to you. Don't worry about it. Just keep that exit going. All right, Tara.
No, I think like Ananya said, हम सब के लिए today has been so special. बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. We're very excited. I'm so happy to see the reaction of everyone to the trailer, and we're just so excited for the film. So thank you guys so much for coming out today. It means the world.
Hi, very cool trailer. Congratulations. Usually जब हम सुपरस्टार्स की फिल्म सिंगल स्क्रीन पे देखने जाते हैं तो डायलॉग्स नहीं सुनाई देते थैंक्स टू विजुअल एंड डूबिंग, और वो ये ट्रेलर में हुआ. इतना एक्सपेक्ट किया था हम लोगों ने हर दिस
Who you asking?
डायलॉग किसने बोले थे? तुमने वैसे नहीं बोली थी, तुम ही जवाब दे दो. मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं.
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and you know, this line "Din tera tha saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that dialogue.
I also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger.
I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this, behind this good boy visage, what's really ticking?
It's the biggest scam. It's the biggest scam.
It's Karan.
It's a scam. They will let the girls answer. हाँ, क्या है ये good boy? एकदम सच्चाई है, reality है?
सच्चाई नहीं है, इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है.
एक सेकंड, आपको क्या लगता है? आपको लगता है झूठ है? Thank you.
हाँ, आप बोलिए.
He is very sweet, I would say that, but he is also very naughty. I think if you leave him with his boy, the biggest rat instinct of the year is Tiger Shroff.
फर्स्ट टाइम आप तीनों ऑन स्क्रीन स्टूडेंट लाइफ जीने जा रहे हैं, तो क्या कुछ अपनी रियल जिंदगी के स्टूडेंट लाइफ को मिस किया और क्या कुछ नया अपन दिखा?
ऐसा स्कूल आई थिंक रियल लाइफ में नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता, बहुत लार्जर देन लाइफ है. तो काश मेरा स्कूल भी ऐसा होता, इतने हॉट लड़के होते, कोई रियल मेमोरीज नहीं थी. I had a blast in school and college, but nothing compared to what we've experienced in Student of the Year 2, and it's just been magical and amazing.
टाइगर जब लास्ट वीक वरुण से इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया कि आप स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 2 का हिस्सा नहीं बने, कोई नाराजगी है, तो उन्होंने बताया कि यार मैं खुश हूँ. नाराजगी किस बात की? कि लोग मुझे अब स्टूडेंट नहीं समझते हैं, अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ, बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में कर रहा हूँ. इस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
बिल्कुल, I think Student of the Year Varun has only grown, and I think he's definitely a student of cinema, but in that sense he's definitely evolved and grown a lot.
Okay, guys, this is one of my favorite songs, one of Karan's favorite songs actually. It's a feeling I share for you guys. It's called Lag Ja Gale. I'm going to sing 3 lines, okay? हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से। घिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो।